During my internship at the PennVet Working Dog Center, I had hands-on experience training working dogs. I received daily guidance from professional dog trainers and also had opportunities to participate in their scientific research. I learned to do husbandry, restraint recalls, obedience training, and some agility techniques, all of which provided me with a better understanding of dog behavior. There were 2 research projects that I worked on. The first was a cooling study that addressed the occupational hazards of working dogs and investigated the best method for lowering their body temperature. The second involved olfaction research to detect pancreatic cancer. I also learned how to use Boris, the Behavioral Observation Research Interactive software, and coded the project Key-Toss Crawl. I'm very grateful for this experience and have acquired a great deal of knowledge regarding live search and rescue, scent detection, and veterinary work. This internship has influenced me to start pursuing a career in veterinary medicine.